Hello, dear colleagues. I am Uliana Luchik, a philosophy doctor in medicine from Ukraine. I am a head of Research and Development Center Veritas in Kiev. Besides that, I am author of unique methods of vascular diagnostic, especially diagnostic of condition of arterioles and veins of the brain, and correction of these disorders. We began our cycle of lectures, which will be dedicated to this problem. These lectures we will introduce as internet lectures or internet seminars, and this new trend of education receive a new terminology, webinars. What is mean webinars? This is internet lectures which we will be able to access on your workplaces or at home. For the receiving of this lecture, we made to receive registration on our website, receive our email, and choose the theme which are interested in our timetable on our site. I invite you to our lectures to receive our knowledge and to understand our experience in individual medicamentoous treatment and correction of vascular disorders, especially in the cerebral vascular pathology and psychoneurological pathology. I invite you and thank you for your attention.